per hour for each feeding hours. If you rent for more than 25 hours, you will pay a flat rate of 360 pesos. They operate 24/7. So first, para makakuha tayo ng function rule is, maglalagay mo tayo ng input, which is let T be the number of hours. So since meron tayong input, nilalagay na natin yung function rule natin. First step is 60 pesos. 60 pesos yung itabayan natin if yung spend natin ng hours na pag-spend ng computer is 0 is less than T less than or equal to 2. Since sinabi dito na for the first 2 hours, kaya naging 2, ito. And then the next step, pag lumagpas tayo ng 2 hours, is magiging 60 per hour siya. So 60 times 2 is equals to 120. So ito na yung magiging base natin. 120. And then, additional fee of 15 pesos per subsidy hour, ay sulat natin siya as T minus 2 if lumagpas tayo ng 2 hours. And then, after you see here sa last sentence, sinabi na, you will pay 360 pesos if lumagpas tayo ng 25 hours. So, ito na yung function rule natin.
Okay, so we will graph the piecewise function. So, according to this condition, 60t if 0 less than t less than equal to 2. So, what are the numbers, or what is the number less than 2? That is 1. So, and this is 60, right? We will draw an open circle, like that. Next, on the second condition, we just need to substitute what is being asked. 0 is less than t greater than equal to 2. What are the numbers that are greater than 2? That is 3, 4, and 5. So, let's substitute this t. So, first, let's have 3. F of 3 is equals to 120 plus 15. Substitute na natin agad para hindi tayo mahirapan. Minus 2. So, unahin muna natin yung parenthesis. 3 minus 2 is 1. And then, copy 15 and 120. The answer is 135. Since you will times 15 times 1, that is 15, plus 120, that is 135. So, we will write it down. Sorry about my writing. Nagmukha na tuloy siyang isaw. So, plot na agad natin. 3, and this is 130. Dito yung 135 sa gitna. So, let's put a circle here. Going back, let's have f of x, f of 4 equals to 120 plus 15. Parenthesis 4 minus 2. That is, unahin ulit yung nasa parenthesis, that is 2. Copy 120. That is 150. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, so now, oops. Rawi pakat nun. So now, let's plot it. This is 150. Let's write it down. 150. Last one. F of 5. Again, copy the given. Plus 15. It is 5 minus 2. Pag minus ito, that is 3. 1/5. Oops, sorry. Supposed to be 15 only. I'm sorry. Then 120. That is 165. There you go. Let's write it down. 165. Oops. Nabura din. This is number, this is 5, and then this is 160, it's not 100, 165, again, sa gitna siya ng 160 and 170, this is 170, so it's here. And then for the last one, 35 if greater than 25. Here. What are the numbers greater than 25? That is 30. Or it can exceed, pero ito ko na lang siya ilalagay. So, draw a line, then draw a line again. There you go. And that is how you graph a piecewise function. Thank you.
Okay, so let's have an example na oras. So, R equals to 8:15 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Ito yung ginamit nilang oras here sa question nila. So, if bibilangin natin siya sa hours, siya ay 1 hour and 15 minutes. Convert natin siya into decimal. That is 1.25 hours. So, you can see na nag-exceed siya sa 2 hours. So, hindi sinabi na 2 hours na sakto. Pero kasi, lumagpas na siya ng 1 hour kasi may 15 minutes tayo. So, magpo-fall siya dito natin. So, substitution, 2 ang gagamitin natin. Tapos, yung 60, kasi ito yung pamayan. Times 2 plus 2.